People identify products as being innovative simply by observing the end result, how it affects lives after it has been developed. All good businesses, service providers, or makers of any kind strive to have innovative results. In my research, I have come to understand innovation as a process that starts when ideas are first conceived, and being able to successfully ideate and come up with a vast and diverse range of solutions to a problem at the beginning is what allows for innovation in the end. Hi, my name is Gregory Caputo, and I want to know what drives success when generating ideas, so that you have a better chance to innovate. This summer, I've been furthering my knowledge of the design process, specifically what happens in the ideation phase, when people are faced with design tasks and are forced to come up with potential solutions. Drs. Shanna Daly, Seda Yilmaz, Colleen Seifert, and Richard Gonzalez have introduced me to Design Heuristics, a method that stimulates exploration in the ideation phase of the design process. This summer, I have been analyzing just how effective Design Heuristics is. Design Heuristics is a method that helps designers come up with this vast and diverse range of ideas by employing specific strategies identified in empirical studies. The 77 unique heuristics are designed to be applicable to any design problem and are explained and illustrated in real-world examples on the front and back of flashcards. I'm currently finding evidence of heuristic use in different, more engineering-specific fields to use in the next version of the cards. Additionally, I researched how the current cards are being used, specifically how well they promote creative ideas, diverse ideas, and detailed ideas. Here you see me rating individual designs created using the brainstorming technique, morphological analysis, and our Design Heuristics method on a 1 to 7 Likert scale in response to the task of how to generate power in a disaster relief situation. Ideas that I feel are not very creative would be scored as 1, and very creative ideas will score a 7. While further analysis of these ideas are still underway, we are constantly spreading the word and trying to get as many people using Design Heuristics as possible. This summer, I taught the design process and Design Heuristics at a summer camp for prospective engineers. We had campers ideate with Design Heuristics and for the first time prototype their ideas, proving that Design Heuristics can lead to feasible solutions capable of being taken beyond the ideation phase. I had participants record how ideas changed over time through individual ideas documented on white sheets, group-generated ideas on blue sheets, and the synthesis and combination of team and original ideas into a final solution on pink sheets. This will help create a timeline study that will lead to greater understanding of how heuristics are used throughout the design process. I will take a similar instructional approach from the camp to gather more ideation data at this year's Design Immersion, where first-year engineering students take part in hands-on design build test activities. Design Heuristics is being used to help inspire ideas at universities and organizations around the country, and the method is also being used at some international institutions as well. I'm happy to be involved in such important research. After all, understanding how to succeed in the concept generation phase of the design process directly affects one's ability to innovate, and innovation is a process that any organization in any field should try to master. I'd like to thank Drs. Seda Yilmaz, Shanna Daly, Colleen Seifert, and the entire Design Heuristics team. I'd also like to thank the Summer Undergraduate Research and Engineering program here at the University of Michigan for making this all possible.